Hey guys, welcome back to SCA TV's Steak Showdown. Today we're in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Home of Hasty Baked Grills. Alright, it's an SCA Steak Showdown from Tulsa, Oklahoma. We've got Bert, Jody, and Will. Alright, who has number one? Will, you get first pick a steak. Don't touch the steak. I'll be glad to set it up there. There you go.
10, 9,
4.
8.
This one's only 5.
There you go. All right.
No, me.
Good.
She gets a big 2.
You get your big 2 since it's the end of the line. Next 2. All right. There you go. Still ribeye. There you go, bud. Perfect. First time in is 3 o'clock. 3 to 3:10. Let's go. Just hit it.
I'm going to do these just like I do half chickens. Just put a brine, roll them on. I'm going to put these in skin side down first. And pour my brine / marinade over the top of them, and then I'll let them go a little bit. Probably 15 minutes and flip them. Smells good though.
There it does.
Never cooked a Cornish game hen before, but it looked like a mini chicken, so I cut the backbone out, spatchcocked them, threw them in some brine. I'm going to brine them for, they're still a little frozen on the inside, so I'm going to leave them out, let the temperature come up a little bit, and then I'm going to cook them indirect for a little bit, and then I'm going to plan on grilling them flat on both sides and then finishing them off with the glaze, I think. So, done.
I'm just trying to get a little fat off, leave a little on there.
It's a nice wristband you got there, brother.
Which one?
I know it. Is that the magic?
That's it.
Jody,
Yeah.
what do you have going on here?
Jambalaya.
What has she got going on there?
Have a little bit of avocado. This right here, this is amazing.
Mama Lake!
You boys better pack it on up.
Start right here and kind of try to go right around this curve here. And then I'll start shaping it up after that.
If there was meat left on the tail, do you ever leave the tail on?
No.
No.
At home, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
For a steak comp, no.
Okay.
No, I've never cooked one at a comp that I've left the tail on. I've seen pictures people do.
Mm-hmm.
Push this meat down around this fat right here a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to take my trimming scissors, cut that down a little bit. Then, when this thing cooks up, maybe that won't bubble up higher than
Then the meat.
the meat.
It's a great tip.
So it actually works pretty good. Too deep. That is a monster steak.
What kind of pot roast is that?
Thing is huge. I assume it's okay. It's just not. I'm always picturing how I want to trim the steak, and the ones I pick out, and looking for spinalis. I'm not a try-hard fan, so I'm always looking for the spinalis and kind of picturing how I'm going to trim the steak, how it's going to trim up. So the tail wouldn't be part of my game plan. Put a little of this magic potion on there. Two things. I keep my strings on for a reminder, and sometimes I use them for a handle to lift up my spatula under. And but that's a dang good reminder you got string on. Last layer of rub.
Yes.
So are you thinking about Dirk right now?
Yes. Thinking about all this smack talking.
It is going to be a long ride home.
It is.
Either way.
For somebody. That is referred to as the big guy.
I heard he was called Big Daddy
He
earlier.
is big daddy.
My wife even called him that.
Yeah.
She said,
I always said it.
Big
Jody told me about it, so I listened to the deal. And she just yelled Big Daddy. Jody said she spilled her drink all
It
over.
was hilarious.
Yeah, I'd love to see
she
you.
fell out of the truck.
He
on the
was
way
fun.
out.
He was fun.
Jody likes chicken fried ribeye.
I did.
Is she that way everywhere, Will?
I don't know. She don't do all that. People hollering in the conversation.
I don't know.
You weren't there with that hasty baked bowl either.
I was at the hasty baked bowl, but
I was hollering there.
What's your theory on trimming that?
take these big deposits of fat off. I'm not really worried about the thin little membrane that comes all the way down here. Just kind of helps hold it together naturally. And I mean, this is your appearance side, so I don't think it matters too much. I leave it on there. But
Yeah.
I don't get the best appearance with it either, so probably not gonna do the whiskey. I just make it taste good. For me, my taste needs to always be there. I always screw something else up because, as you see, I'm all over the place. So I always screw something up. Like last week, I overcooked it. By the time I got my steak off, it was probing like 136, 137, and I was like, I let it rest out in the open and just threw up a prayer, but yeah, it was later. Maybe pretty good, even layer of it. Big Coke. Then I'll hit my golden ticket steak.
I like the name.
Yeah, golden ticket edition. I'll just let that sit for a minute to kind of sweat in a little bit, and then I'll flip it over and do the other side the same way, and it works in Oklahoma. So the AP is the only rub I put on the sides. I don't put my steak rub on the sides.
Man, now we got a celebrity.
Yeah.
Chris Farley back.
Farley's back.
What's up?
How are you?
Great.
Yeah, they or they love it. Yeah. Depends on where you are too.
5 more minutes.
5 minutes. Do you have a number you're shooting for on a pork chop?
About 150.
150? Perfect.
You know, it's hard to keep it from sticking
Because of the sugar. Yeah.
Which is good though. It's a little darker.
Cooking a boat?
Yep. I'm doing something different.
do that, you'll 2 seconds, 2 minutes to rest. I like that. That's a good sign.
Are you getting there, Will? I barely. I'm like 425, I think.
It'll get there, but
I know. I just worried about getting it done.
yep, mine ain't getting it. The older you get, the lose your sense of smell.
I heard that.
She lost her.
Not your sense of hearing, apparently.
And, I left that first one on a little bit longer rotation than what I normally would because my grades just weren't there yet.
Yeah.
They're getting there now. I'm not worried about it now. That's the word. See, I'll take it. It'll level out.
I'm gonna temp it. A little fat spot there, but.
Why are you tinting the steak?
So all of the juices will go back
Perfect.
You get that too.
All right. This is your ticket. Hold on. That's the way you want it, right? That's the way I want it. Perfect. All right. You got half a chicken and 5 pieces of pork. There you go. Perfect.
It's a hot mess.
Your ticket, hold on to it. Don't lose it, bud. Good luck to you. Just in time. Woo! Hold on to your ticket. Don't lose it. Take a picture. You got a half and 5 pieces of this? Good luck.
Ain't all white pieces. They're pieces.
Perfect. That was close. You ready?
I'm ready.
Got a half of these 5 pieces. Alright, just give me your ticket. Hold on to your ticket. Don't lose it. You got enough bands going there. How about that? Nice. Set.
They're actually popular.
I know, I saw them. It's all
Hey, I'm getting it out.
dead out.
Go Big
Here it
Daddy!
comes. What was that?
It is
Go
what it is
Big
now.
Daddy!
All right, Big Daddy, here you go. It's awards time. Here we go.
Ready.
Big game man. Start with third place. Score of 181.0. Press 3183.
Me?
There
Oh!
it is, third place.
3183?
You didn't sign your ticket, sorry. Third place, you got it, Julie?
Yeah.
All right, we're not going to call second. We're going to call first. Second will know who it is. Ticket, if they had 184.8, 3187. Woo! 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 First place! Good kid, right there.
That's a big deal.
I was just saying, how many times have you cooked Cornish game here?
I call it a winning recipe. Good job.
BB180.
Pork chops. Third place, 178.2. 3 block, 8. Derek Mullins, 178.2. All right. We're going to call first place again on this one. 190.9. Good score. We're at 3185.
Hey.
Service sport 184.
That was an BB180. Perfect port. It makes it a perfect port.
Yay!
Evidently. All right.
That
Doing
means
well.
Jody Harris with a score of
Got Jody Harris had a score of
181.7.
181.7. We're on to steak. The judges raved about the steaks.
Yes,
So we'll start third place. Ticket number 3186. Derek Mullins. 3186. Good job, brother. It's growing close on Goose. It might be a long life for somebody.
oh my goodness.
On to first place. And first place was 1.1 points ahead of second. We had 3184.
Oh!
He just got a broom.
Sweet
Peter, you have it. This man just sweat to come to it.
Congratulations.
He had a good day. All right.
Second place.
George.
604.8 total to 598. So close. That's okay. I'm happy. Woo!
So then which one of you?
She said she'd drive home if she wanted, she'd be inside, too off the road.
All right. Thank you guys for watching. See you next week.
We'll go get a soda.